The air guardsman fighting for Russia under the U.S. flag in Avdiivka has been identified. Wilmer Puelo Mota fled the United States in January after he was caught with illegal photos of a teenager on his cell phone. The pedophile fled to Russia. He immediately reported to the Russian military, as can be seen in the new video. A former Massachusetts city councilor was charged with possession of child pornography in 2020. He skipped a court date in January 2024, flying to Istanbul. In February, he was reportedly in Avdiivka after joining the Russian army with Pyatnashka. Video in Avdiivka from February. In the video where he signs a contract, he talks about fighting with Pyatnashka, so it's clearly him. Plus, he has a quite distinct voice.
We're here to plant the U.S. flag as a sign of friendship and support for all the things that people are enduring here. And it's a small token of a small task that we can do to show our support. I mean, we have to end this. I mean, you look around at Avdiivka and you see what's happening. You see the destroyed buildings. You see these are people's homes. We need to support Russia. We have to have friendship. We have to make sure that all the goals laid out are fulfilled. And we just have to stop this, and we have to do everything we can to help. And, you know, here's Old Glory, the U.S. flag. And I hope that people back home see it. I hope people understand. And look at independent facts, right? Do your own research, do your own homework. Find out what's really going on here. We have to support these people. We have to help them. We have to stop this. I feel proud. I feel proud to be here. I've met amazing people. I'm standing with amazing people that have done a lot for this and to help people. And that's what it's about. You know, that's why I'm here. That's what I want to do. And these guys that I'm here with, I mean, these guys are incredible people. My hat's off to them. What they do on a daily basis is just unbelievable. It's incredible. And to people back home that are in the military and that have been to war, I'm a veteran from Afghanistan. The people that have been through this, they understand it. And we haven't seen anything like this, even in Afghanistan. This is something, I mean, the entire city is rubble. This is unbelievable. And in Afghanistan, I was in the Air Force for 10 years. In Afghanistan, I've never seen anything like this. This is unbelievable. The work that's being done here, it's just incredible. We have to help these guys.
Russia is pedophile asylum. Why are so many pedophiles Putin's supporters? But besides being a pedophile, he is a traitor now, so it's his choice to die in Ukraine or to come and serve his punishment in the States.
So obviously it's a difficult situation, right? It's it's war, it's a special military operation, but I was lucky to be there with people from Pyatnashka, with people from the International Brigade, and we did our work, we did our job, we did what we were supposed to do, and I was very lucky and fortunate to serve with those guys. I definitely would do it again. I'd go back if I could with them. Great people, fantastic people. Avdiivka, it's terrible, it's sad what's happened there. It's a very bad situation, and I'm glad that we can help in the way that we're helping to move forward the goals that have been set forth. So like I said, we were serving in Pyatnashka, and I met some very good people from all over the place. I met some Serbian friends that decided to join a military contract here, and they really recommended it to me. They're back in Donbass now. We wrapped up in Pyatnashka. It was a great experience. Now I'm coming here to hopefully meet up with my Serbian friends that are on the front. Like I said, I mean, the social support has been absolutely fantastic. From the moment I got here, I had a great translator, volunteers. No, seriously, it's important. It's important. When I was in Moscow, you had the same thing. And here, when I got here, the social support has been amazing. People are so supportive. I mean, this is the least that I can do, is to give back and help. I mean, everybody's just been so kind, so supportive, and just ready to help me move forward. And I want to help them now continue the mission. So
And on to the battlefields. It is not always possible to burn enemy equipment the first time, but it is no less important to stop a tank with a barbecue and a dome EW. The 47th Mechanized Brigade at work in Avdiivka. Russia has recruited thousands of men from Nepal for the war in Ukraine. They are offered a salary of $2,000 a month and promise to help them obtain Russian citizenship under an expedited procedure. Many of them do not return home.
When I heard the news of my husband's death, I felt like jumping off a cliff and ending my life. It took me weeks after hearing the news to actually believe it. I couldn't believe that he is no more, and I still feel like I may receive his call.
I would like to express my concern about the enlistment of our citizens in the armed forces of a nation with which we lack an official pact or treaty. Their recruitment of our citizens implies that it happens with the knowledge of the Russian government. Nobody cares about the dead in Russia. The life of the injured depends upon the seriousness of the wound. If treatment is possible, we rescue them. Otherwise, we are instructed to shoot the seriously injured soldiers where they lay.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.